Alright, so this is my bike check. Let's start off in the front. We the People, STEM, that's the local team, self-destruct, alienation, double wall tires, front and back. Street tire, just stock street, on both front and back too. It's a DK Helio, stem, Drew Bezanson signature colorway. DK bars, ODI grips and bar ends. Shake giant sticker, DK pivotal seat, DK plastic pedals, pretty good pedals. The grips wear off really easy. You can see there's some just wearing off. DK cranks. DK chain pretty tight. And that's it. DK stock hubs front and back. And here's the sound.